Hi, welcome to GM-TECH AutoCAD. My name is Juan, and today we are going to do an unboxing of our GM-TECH Cordless Nano Polisher. So this is our Cordless Nano Polisher. We have our cordless nano polisher, spare battery, charging cable, comes with a 1-inch backing plate, 2-inch backing plate, 12 pieces of polishing pads, and also 12 pieces of 2-inch polishing pads. We also provide Infinity 8 and Infinity 9 polishing compound in 150 grams. We also provide this as an additional add-on, which is the extension shaft when you're using for a rotary, and also the cover head. You just snap it on right here. So let's talk about our cordless nano polisher. Specs wise, it runs with a 12-volt battery. The battery has a 2000 milliamp battery, which gives you about 45 minutes of operation use. Let's say when you run out of battery, you can actually just swap out, put it in the charger, and then you have a second battery you can swap and carry on with your work, daily work. Here's your on-off switch. When you turn on the switch, it has speeds in numbers. Each speed represents in about 1,000 revolutions. It goes about a max speed of up to speed 7. Mostly when you're doing polishing work, usually you will spend about speed 4 to 5. And when you want to go a bit more aggressive in cutting and everything, you spend about speed 6. So right here we have a 1-inch backing plate. If you want to change now 2-inch backing plate, there is actually a 2-piece right here. So what we have right now, it's currently with the DA function. Now if you want to change it using the rotary function, take this panel right here and then you twist. Go. So right here. You have our nano polisher with a rotary function. Okay, so if you want to change the backing plate from 1-inch to 2-inch on the DA counterweight, you can see here there is a pinhole. Put in your pin and then just twist it like that. It comes off. 2-inch backing plate. Okay, so just like to add also a nano polishing kit, we actually also provide 3 months warranty. Feel free to comment below. Subscribe in our YouTube channel, follow on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you next time.